How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Without you, see, Geeta School full campus is empty. Don't worry, all the things will be okay. Soon you will be coming back to our school. Until then, we will learn from Geeta School online classroom. Welcome back. Here in previous class, we have learned rational numbers. Now here we are learning how to convert rational number in P by Q form. See here. Rational numbers are, we can say, decimals. All the P by Q form, all the rational numbers we can convert into decimals. Right? Decimals we can classify into two types. In decimals we can classify into two types. One, terminating decimals. Terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. Terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. Terminating decimals means after the point, see here 2.1, only one digit is there after the point, or 8.23, it is terminated. 8.23. Non-terminating decimal means after the point the number goes on, it is not ending, it is not terminating. Example, 5.2222 like that goes on, or 8.212121 like that goes on. Another example, 2.856798231535 like that goes on. See here, after this point, same number is repeating. Non-repeating decimal, the same number is repeating. So we can say this is 5.2 bar, or we can say 5.21 dot also. Okay. Here we can write this one as 8.21. But this, it is not possible to write in this method. This non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are classified to irrational numbers. These numbers are irrational numbers. Understanding? What do you mean by irrational number? Yes, in previous class also I gave some examples. Root 2, root 3, pi. These numbers, after the decimal point, this non-repeating. This is repeating decimals, but the number is not coming same. Understanding? So here, this we are rubbing from here. Why? This is not a rational number. This is irrational number. Rational number how? It is rational numbers are terminating and non-terminating decimals are there. In non-terminating decimals, if the number is not repeating, it will come under irrational numbers. Okay. Now here we are going to learn how can we convert this repeating decimals into P by Q form. I will give you examples. 3 bars. Here another example. 8.25. One more example. 3.235. These three questions we will do in three different methods. Here, see, 3 is repeating. After the point, only one number is repeating. In first step, we will take all the numbers after the point. How many numbers are here? Only one number. After the decimal, how many numbers are there? The whole numbers we want to take into the position. This left position. Okay, right position. How many number is there? Only one number. That number I am going to take into the left position. How can I take? See, consider this one is x. I am multiplying this by 10. Then what will happen? This 3 will come in this left position. 3.3333 like that. Okay. Now I am writing this x under this 0.333. Now I am subtracting the second one from the first one. Subtracting this one. Here 9x is equal to 3. This 3 will be cancelling. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. All the 3 will be cancelling. Subtracting. Now the x will be 3 by 9. This is our answer. P by Q form. See? P by Q form. What is P here? 3 is P. Q is 9. This 0.33333 is a decimal number. That number we converted to rational number. P by Q form. It's a one type of method. See the another number. Two numbers are repeating. Here we will multiply hundreds. Check that. Here we multiply 10x. Why? Because only one number is repeating after the point. Here we will multiply by 100x. Why? Because there are two numbers after the point. So we will multiply 100x. Then what will be the answer? 825.252525 like that goes. Now next step. There are only two numbers, that is repeating number. We will write x down. 8. Where will you write 8? Can I write 8 here? No, not possible. Why? The 8 is ones digit. Okay. First step we will write ones place. Here 8.252525. When you are writing 8, you take care. Don't write 8 here in the hundreds place or thousands place. Don't write here. You write in the same unit place. Then subtract. What will come here? 99x. Here 8 subtracting 7, 1, 8. X will be 817 by 99. This is our P by Q form. 817 by 99. See the decimal number 8.25 is converted to the rational number P by Q form, that is 817 by 99. Now the last case. I am writing here. See the last one. 3.235. And 3 and 5 repeating. See the difference between this and this. Here, after the point, there are two numbers. Both numbers are repeating. Here, after the point, there are three numbers. Out of these three numbers, two are repeating and one is not repeating. This is the difference in the methods, different cases. Here, first step is same. Both first step is same. How many numbers are there after the decimal? 3 numbers. So, we will multiply. So, total 4 numbers are there. Here, after the decimal 3 numbers are there. So, we will multiply 1000x. 1000x is equal to 3.235. Now, what are the repeating numbers? Repeating numbers what? 35, 35, like that. Now, in the previous question, we wrote x here. In this case, we have a little change. Why? Because, see the number 2. This 2 is not repeating. So, I need this 2 also in this left place. How can I take one number into the left place? Multiplying by 10x. Now, I am getting 32. Where I will write 32? Here, this place. 32.353535. Like, understanding the difference? Here, I am not taken any number there. Here I took 10x. Why I took 10x here? Because one number is there which is not repeating. Now the same process, subtracting. When subtracting, all these numbers will go here. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2, 3. Now what we will get here? X 0, 9, 9. 9, 9, 0. X is equal to 3203 divided by 990. This is our P by Q form. Now this decimal number 3.235 we converted to rational number. This is a rational number. P by Q form. Now the numerator is 3203 and denominator is 990. So like that problems you make your own questions and try to solve it. First method, second method, third method, like that. Different questions you make yourself and try to solve it. If there is any doubt, contact.